Hello learners, my name is Ms. Nikita Nareshwar Sawan. I am Assistant Professor at Ganpat Parsikar College of Education. Welcome to Module 7, that is Bibliographies and References. Bibliography. A bibliography is a list of all the sources researchers have used, whether referenced or not, in the process of researching a research work. In general, a bibliography should include the author's name, titles of work, the name and location of companies that published your copies of the sources, the dates your copies were published, the page number of your sources if they are part of a multi-source volumes. Importance and use of bibliographies. Whenever a research paper is written, there should be a section at the end where you acknowledge the sources used. Now, bibliography basically means listing all the sources which are used while writing the essay or research article. The sources that are used under bibliography are printed and online books, websites, web documents, web blogs, newspaper articles, journals, podcasts, Wikipedias, unpublished material, maps, etc. Citation ensures that the information contained in the research paper is based on logic, truth and facts. Absence of reference or bibliographies indicate that the paper may be a piece of plagiarism. Standard citation styles used in bibliographies. Formats used in citation of bibliographies are as follows. First, APA format, that is American Psychological Association. Second, MLA format, that is Modern Language Association of America. Third, CPE format, that is Chicago Manual of Style and Council of Biology Editor. The APA style of referencing is a common in paper written on topics of social science. MLA style is used in field of humanities, and CBE is a popular citation style in the natural sciences. APA bibliography format. APA style. American Psychological Association uses both in-text citation and a list of references to the documents the source. The style is used in social sciences. The format of the citation of APA style is author, year, title, place of publication and the publisher. For example, author's name and the last name, that is Spilsberg S. Initials and the years, that is 2010. Title, creative writing, place of publication, Boston, and the publisher, Bedford St. Martins. MLA bibliography format. MLA style is used in English and humanities. MLA bibliography is used in text citation to list sources within the text of research document and a list of works cited at the end of research document. The format of this citation includes author, title, publisher and a date. For example, author's last and first name, that is Hall Thomas A. Title, court cases. Publisher, FT Press and a date, that is 2010. Standard bibliography format. Bibliography format for a book. A standard bibliography of a book typically consists of the following information: author, title, name of the publisher and date of publication. Bibliography format for a periodic or a journal article. It includes author, article title, journal title, volume number, pages and date of publication. Bibliography format for internet sources. Format for internet sources usually include the following information: that is author, the website that has been used, article titles, publication information, version, date of publication and a location, that could be DOI or an URL. Now let's see references. What is reference? A reference page is the last page of any essay or research paper that have been written in an APA style. It lists all the sources used in the project so readers can easily find what you have cited. References can be described as giving credits with citation to the sources of information used in one's work. Research is a build-up on what other people have previously done, thus referencing helps to relate your own work to the previous work. References are a way to provide evidence to support the assertion and claims in your own assignment. Importance of references. Referencing is important for a number of reasons, some of which are included below. It allows for acknowledgement of use of others' opinion, idea, theories and inventions. Helps reader understand what influenced the writer's thinking and how their ideas were formulated. It helps the reader evaluate the extent of writer's reading. It also enables reader to visit source material for themselves and verify the information. What kind of information do we need for the referencing? Printed books are not the only source of that are required for acknowledgement. Any word, ideas or information taken from any source requires a reference. Reference is when you are using words or ideas from books and journal articles, newspaper and magazines, pamphlets or brochures, films, documentaries, television programs or advertisements, websites or electronic resources, letters, emails, online discussion forums or personal interviews. No need to reference when you are writing your own observation or experiment results. For example, a report on a field trip. Writing about your own experiences. For example, a reflective journal. Writing your own thoughts, comments or conclusion in an assignment, evaluating or offering your own analysis. Using common knowledge, that is, facts that can be found in numerous places and are likely to be known by a lot of people, or folklore using generally accepted facts or information. It varies in different disciplines of study. Conclusion. It can be concluded that bibliographies provide a comprehensive list of all the sources that has been consulted, and it has different styles of writing. In other words, bibliography means all the sources that a researcher have used. A reference is the last page of any research work such as assignment, research paper, article that has been written. Reference could be in the form of newspaper, books, websites, magazine, email, online discussion, etc. These are the references.